Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the top 5 apps that I use for school. These are apps that I find to be helpful and help me be more productive as a student. And so I wanted to share that with you in case you haven't heard of them. You can check them out and maybe they'll help you guys too. So if you're interested to hear what those top 5 apps are, keep on watching. The first app I want to talk about is Dropbox. So this is an app that I have on my phone and on my laptop, and I use it to put documents that I want to have access to no matter where I am. Because I don't always have my laptop, it's nice to know that I can access documents that I put in Dropbox through my phone or any other device. And so sometimes if you're at work or if you are somewhere and need to, for example, show or share a document, then you would have it in Dropbox and access it through there and then share it with whoever you want. If your colleagues or professors also have Dropbox, then you can share like folders or documents, and that also makes it a lot easier. The second app that I use is Canva. They have an app and you can also open it through their website. But I use this app whenever I have to create like a flyer or a brochure for class. Sometimes our assignments require a brochure of some sort or a flyer, and I don't have time to create my own templates, and Canva has pre-made templates that are cute, and so I go on there and create them. Again, you can create through the app on your phone, so if you don't have your laptop, you can work on it through your phone. I recommend that if you guys haven't tried it, go ahead and try it. If you already are a school psych, you can even use Canva to make posters for your office. So there's a lot you can do on there, so I would recommend checking it out. The third app is CamScanner, and this is an app that you can use to scan a document without a scanner. So you would take a picture of the document and then it would upload it as a PDF, and it makes it look like it was scanned. And so I use this whenever I have to email a document to one of my teachers, or if I have to share something with someone and I don't have a scanner, then I take a picture of it, I make it look like it was scanned, and then you can email it. So it makes it a lot easier than having to try and go find a scanner somewhere. So that also can be very helpful just in everyday life. Sometimes you need to send something that you need to sign. So having it on your phone makes it easier to just take a picture and create a scanned document. App number 4 is Podcast. This is for iPhone, so if you don't have an iPhone, you can also look at Overcast. It's a pretty good alternative for somebody that has Android or another device that is not an iPhone. But I use Podcast to listen to podcasts. I like to stay informed and just constantly educate myself. So I listen to a lot of school psych podcasts or psychology podcasts, and also podcasts to just keep me motivated. There's so many things that you can listen to through this app. And so if you haven't already, I really recommend you give it a try. I find podcasts to be very enlightening sometimes. So I listen to them on my way to school, on my way to work, and just whenever I have time, I like to listen to podcasts. How many times did I say podcasts? Anyways, if you haven't seen my previous video, I do share my top 3 favorite podcasts for school psychology. So check that out too if you want. And the last app is Notion. This is my current favorite app. I use this a lot, especially for note-taking, but also to just keep myself organized. Like I mentioned in one of my previous videos, I don't take notes on notebooks or paper. I take notes on my Mac, and Notion is the app that I use. I used to use Bear, but then I came across Notion, and it's way better, so much easier, and just more organized and clean. And so this is what I use now. So I create folders for my classes, and then all of the notes for that class is under that folder or like title, because there's different ways that you can like set up your dashboard. I also use Notion to kind of keep me on track with my YouTube stuff. I create tasks so I can monitor and complete tasks, so you can put like due dates, and it's amazing. You guys really need to check it out. If you guys want to see a video of just Notion and how I use it what my notes look like and things like that, let me know down in the comments below and I can do that for you guys too. So there you guys have it, the top 5 apps that I currently use that make my student life easier. Like I said, if you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on any of the apps, let me know and I can do that for you guys. So for example, Notion and my note-taking. If you guys have any questions or video suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so you can see my future videos. I have quite a few of them planned out and we'll be uploading hopefully every week or every other week. Because as a student, my time is very limited. So I try to balance everything as much as I can. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.